Hello, in this video I'm going to build a blog website using Wix Studio. I'm not going to use any CMS or anything, just Wix's blog app to build a fully functional with AI a blog website. My name is Ashok. I'm a Wix Studio certified developer. I offer Wix Studio services and Wix Studio templates on my website. So go and check out. So now let's dive into the video. Okay, so I'm in my Wix Studio project, and to add a blog app in Wix Studio, you just have to do one thing. Click on this My Business icon here on the left hand side panel, and from here just click on this Wix blog, hit the plus icon, and it will start adding the required pages for you, right, to run a successful blog. You can create blog for your travel, cafe, restaurant, or your spa, wellness, or any, let's say, salon, or any kind of business, consulting business. You can create it, right? So I mostly prefer to use a CMS based blog system that I use for my templates, because this one comes up with sometimes limitations, so I prefer to use that. So I think they have added the pages, right? Let's look at them. Okay, here on the pages, click the blog page, post, and search results and search suggestion box, right? So let's click on this blog and go to that page and see what they have done for us. Okay, so right now we have 3 blogs. This layout, I don't like the layout, but let's I'll just show you how it works and all. If you want to create it on your custom, you can do that as well by following the steps I'll show you in the video, right? Okay, so now let's see how you can add a blog, and then I'll show you how you can customize this, right? So click again back to this My Business icon here on the left hand side panel. In this Wix blog, here it says write your first blog, right? Or let's say manage blog. Let's click on the manage blog so that you get so many options here to customize and see what you can do with Wix blog app, right? Just wait for a while. Here you see the Wix blog from your dashboard. If you are, let's say, using a dashboard, then you can see it from here. So in the overview, you get this case of first category, advertise on your blog, Google, import post from WordPress. See, if you have a WordPress website and you are migrating from WordPress to Wix, then you can use this feature. It's very easy, simple, right? In just few clicks, you can do it. It's simple, right? Okay, so I don't have any post here. Those were the dummy posts created by Wix team. I have, let's see the post here. If I have any post here, I can see I don't have anyone. Drafts, pending, review, schedule, trash means you can schedule your post also, right? And the comments, you get the comment box below your detailed blog post, right, where you can get the comments. Let's say if you have any blog which requires this comment section, you can enable that. Categories for your blog, tags, writers, monetization, analytics. I will go through all these things. Now let's go with the post first and create our first post using the AI. Okay, let's not use this payment method. Let's remove that. Create your blog. How you want to do it, so it depends, right? So this is the creation dashboard. Here, create with AI, blog post, title, outline, meta text, grammar. Let's say blog post. I want to create a blog post. Describe. Write a blog post on my new iPhone 16e, iPhone 16 review, iPhone 16. Write a blog post on my new iPhone 16 experience and review. Just this is just a dummy thing, right? I'm not sure what they will do it. Well, let's do that. And natural, professional, casual, confident, neutral, right? Oh, sorry, neutral. It was neutral, not natural. Number of images. I don't want to use images. Two images is fine. 3 images. Let's do that. This is like word count you can have, but I would suggest you keep it 500 to 1000 words. And more preferences, click on more preferences. Post type standard, listicle, how to, personal story. It's a personal story because I want to share my experience and the review, right? Point of view, any, first person, second person. This is a, let's say, first person. And the audience, who are your audience? Let's say uh, hmm, mobile phone lovers, iPhone users, right? iPhone users, Apple. Let's just use two: mobile phone lovers, iPhone users. Let's just use two keywords: iPhone, iPhone, iPhone 16, Apple. Okay, let's just use those keywords, and the next, click on the next. Now you'll have the title: my first impression of the iPhone 16, a personal review. I think that makes more sense, and it's very compelling, right? So let's just click on that, and let's just Wix Studio do it is using AI. See, I'm on my free website plan, and still I can use its AI feature. AI feature with so many things I can do with this AI feature. Let's just wait for it. Okay, so probably after 50 seconds or so, they have created a post for me. Just look at this. Look at this. I don't have to do anything. Look at the phone, right? Look at it. I think they are adding this caption also. iPhone 16 is texting elegantly on a minimalist table. I love it. I just love this one, and my first impression of iPhone 16. So here, what comes into play is your way of using SEO, right? The making your headers like H1, H2, H3. You have to make sure that you follow all the required semantic structure, right, in order to get good score on Google, right? This is the post. You have the options. This is WYSIWYG editor. Let's say if I don't like this, right, I can ask it to create a new one, right? You can do that here. You have add a link. Let's say announcement. Okay, let's say iPhone 16. Click here. This is website address: www.apple.com/iPhone 16. This is just a dummy one. Don't worry about anything. So iPhone 16, and let's see what else I can do here. So I have so many other options like this text options, quotation. If I want to add any quotation here, I can add the code snippets. If you are writing a tutorial, right, the coding tutorial, you can have that also. I think this is fine, adding this post. The other settings that you have to work with is in the settings. Click on the settings. Now you have the general image, alt text of your image. The one we can copy this one and add here for the alt text. Publish. Let's say I want to publish now, and the author, writer, it's me. I can add a new writer here. You can accept for this post. You can add the rated post. Let's say if your other post which is rated to iPhone, you can choose those posts from your collection. Feature this post on your feature page. You can have the feature this post, allow commenting on this post. Let's keep this so that we can look at it, right? Now the categories, we don't have any category, but let's say iPhone. Okay, iPhone, and main category is iPhone. The tags, let's say, let's change it to something else. Let's say tag is iPhone. I think it's good, and the category is mobile phones, right? I'll change it later, don't worry. iPhone, and I think that's it for that. And now click on the SEO. Here in the SEO, you can write, let's say, basic, advanced, and social share. Write meta description. You can write your description here for this post. Otherwise, the alt text is already given here. Write a markup to be eligible for rich results. See, include markup. You can add these things also. Your task completed. This one is done, and all these items that you need, right? If you have upgraded plan, you get so many features here, right? This basic, title, meta description, the slug of, let's say I don't want my first impression of the iPhone 16. personal iPhone 16 a personal review. I think I like this one. It's short and very one, right? If someone is writing iPhone 16 review, it will show up. And you can have this content here and all these robot meta tags, all this SEO point of view. If you don't know these, I would suggest you learn basics of SEO, or you can hire an experience, right? You can reach out to us as well. Monetize. If you want to do this, earn money from your blog, offer a subscription to your exclusive content, you can do that stuff here. Let's say the gated content, sometimes you will have, let's say, some post, but if you want your users to access some premium content, you can use this monetization feature that translate your blog with multiple language. You can get started here, let's say French, anyone, let's say this Malay or any language, let's say, you can have that here, right? You can have the apps. Let's not use that, but here I can save it. Auto save is on. Let's click again. Either I can publish or I can save it as a draft. I can schedule my post. I can let's say duplicate it. I can do so many things, design post and other things that I want to do. Let's say schedule. Let's not schedule. See, this is how you can do it, right? Let's not do that. Let's publish it, because I want to see that post on my page and I want to show you how you can do other things. So now, great, post published. Next, publish your site so everyone can see it. Once your site is published, you can see all these things. Maybe later. I don't know to do it now, right? Now the comments. We don't have any comments. We have category here. That's this iPhone, but let's use this category to something else. Mobile phones. Mobile phone. I think this is fine. And slug, I don't want iPhone. I want slug to be mobile phone. I think this is perfect. I can use it. Mobile phone, right? A mobile phone, and I can save it. So I have mobile phone. Tag is fine. Writer, I already have writer. It's me because I have my old account, right? Whatever your account, your name. You can add new member, new writer here, roles and permission. You can give other things to your writer, roles and permissions from here, right? Go to blogs again, and this one like monetization and analytics. You get so many things here if you're using this app. The analytics of your app, let's say which posts are doing well, which category is doing well, right? You can have all the data from here. It's easy. Go and connect to Google Search Console of your website and it will do stuff on behalf of you, for you, right? So we have added just one post. Let's close it. And now here I don't think we should see this one anymore. Now here on this blog, I don't know why it's not showing our post, but never mind. Let's look at it. Let's refresh it. Blog. Okay, it's doing it here. I had to refresh my page. Now you have my page here. All posts, these are the categories, right? The title. But I'll select the whole one and I'll click on the settings. So from here you can either display the breadcrumbs. This category is breadcrumb, and the title and the post, right? So display writer name. If you want this name, it will be there. Published date 11 hours ago. Reading time 3 minutes. Category level, let's add that so that it adds here the mobile phone. More action menu, let's not do that. Comment counter, we don't want any comments. Description, this description. Viewer counter, we don't want any viewer. Like counter, we don't want any likes. The blog and the description, I think I don't want that either. Let's remove the category level as well so that it's short. And I think category labels, the above one I told you, remember this one, it's gone now. It's not there anymore. I don't want this. I just want my post to have this time, date and the title. That's it. And this layout, this editorial layout, or I can have a tile layout, I can have a side by side layout. Let's say if I have my image on the left hand side and the content on the right hand side. Just change it to that. I think it makes more sense. And since we have this layout, I'll add that particular details, more details to this blog post. Now this one is fine, right? You can just check this out. This is the layout setting. Let's say spacing of 32 of paddings and spacing, margins for the text and other things. You can do it from here, right? And infinite scroll, pagination, all the things that you need. Post loading, what you want to do, infinite scroll, pagination, post per scroll. Let's say on scroll you want to load some post, right? So let's say per scroll I can add like 10. That's fine. That's good. Category feed, category feed design is, let's say, the same one. Let's use the same design here. I don't want to use that different designs. If I go to category page, I can see that category design like this also, right? Now go to display and again add these writer details, writer name and a description. I think this is much better. Do we have this more action menu? Okay, I don't want that. Okay, I think this is fine. But for these spacing things, you can work here. In the design section also you can work for the spacing and our video settings, navigation. We don't have any navigations right now. Post, this is the post, the heading, you can change the text style from here, the links, colors, everything you want, you can do it from border. Width, let's say right now it's 2 pixel, let's use it 4 pixel. Just look at it. It's not looking that good, but let's keep it as it is, right? And let's use 4 pixel is fine, right? Then the area background, post background, I don't want anything. The category fit the same way. And the category labels, you can change the designs, buttons, you can add buttons, background color and all. Ratings, we don't have any ratings here. So all the things that you want, you can do it from here, right? So this is, let's say, our post page. So when someone clicks on that, I want to go to my post page, main post page. This is my blog page, the list of the blogs page. And now I want to go to my post page. And this is my post page. It shows those categories. I think it's not looking that good. So let's remove that. Let's remove it to writer name. It's fine. Category labels here, right? Let's remove it. Okay, I think it's looking good now. Now it's looking really good. If you look at this, the page is looking really good. The same settings we did there, right, are here. If you want to show tags, if you want to show other things, you can do it from here. See, this is our tag iPhone. Here, the category and the tag. This is our tag iPhone. This is our category, iMobile phone, right? So you can show those things here. And then what else is like, let's use some padding and all. Where do they have padding? Here, not here. Ratings, text. I think here. They are not giving any paddings here. Okay, so now I'll select this. Stretch is fine. Margins, top bottom, let's say 0 0 0 and 0. So now I think it's looking really nice to me. Right, just look at the layout here. I like it. Blog feed. Okay, here my blog feed. I can select the settings from here. Post page, I can go to my post page and blog feed from here and there, right? So I think this is how you can do it. Now the search results. So for the search bar, right, you can customize it as per requirements, right? You can change the title and the same. I don't change it apart from the colors and the fonts. Nothing else I do here, right? So you don't have to worry about the SEO and everything, because here if you click on this page icon on these settings, SEO basics, so now we have everything here, right? The SEO, page info, permissions, SEO basics. Go to SEO setup checklist for your whole website. You can check it out from there. And this is for this blog page, the main blog page. This is our blog page, and you can add the content and all. Advanced SEO, if you want to do it for this page, you can do it that from there. And this is your SEO basics for this post page. So now everything is coming from your blogs database, right? The app that we have created here, the data is coming from there, because all the blog posts will be different with their SEO title and the description, right? So that's how you can create this. You can customize your pages from here, and you can add the manage blog page, add a blog elements, read the blogging guide created by Wix. It's good. If you want to learn more, you can go and you can check out the courses on Wix platform also, if you want to learn more about this. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. If you want to learn more about Wix Studio and how to build Wix Studio website, go and check out other videos that I have posted recently on my channel. If you need any Wix Studio related services or templates, you can go and check out on our website. Or if you want to book a call, you can do that with me so that I can help you out with your requirements. Until next time, happy creating.